Hello, welcome back to Chapter 10, Section 2, where we're learning about frequency and histograms. In this example, we are going to make a frequency table with intervals. And again, the concern about this that I hear from a lot of students is, how do I make my intervals? So I'm going to show you, but please be aware that most of the time we're just going to give you the intervals anyway. So we'll show you how to do it, but it's okay. It's one of those things where there's different ways and you can end up with different examples, different graphs, and that's one of the things that we'll talk about. But for now, we're just learning how to do it. So here's how we actually do it. I want to find the range, so I'm going to look through these numbers. Oh, what is this? Finishing times in a 5K race, rounded to the nearest minute. So obviously, a minute is a big gap for a 5K. All right, so these are rounded to the nearest minute just to make the graph kind of nice. So what's the largest number that I have here? Here's a 34. Do I see anything higher than 34? Someone came in at a 34 minutes. Hopefully I'm faster than 34, but not by much right now. The smallest number here, here's a 19. Do I have anything lower than a 19? Nope, doesn't look like it. So 34 minus 19 seems to be, just double checking that I wrote it down right. I feel like I missed something. 34 minus 19 is 15, so there's like a 15-minute range. And I can make my intervals, I want 4 groups, 5 groups, or 6 groups. 5 is nice because I've got 15. 15 divided by 5 is going to be 3. So I'm going to have 5 groups of 3. And if I got to mess with it a little bit to adjust it, that's fine. For example, I could have rounded this up to 16 and had 4 groups of 4. It just meant that my interval would go up to 35 instead of 34, but that would have been okay. So let's start. I got 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31, 32, 33. How did I mess up? Oh, I know what I did. I'm sorry. I forgot to include 1. By subtracting 19, I forgot the 19. So what I actually need is, don't do this. Then I add 1 more and get 16. So I think I am going to do 4 groups of 4. That'd be better. So scratch these. That's okay. So we'll do 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. I forgot to include the number that I was subtracting. Got to include that 19 in there. So now I'm going to do my tally marks. So I've got 19, another 19, 25, that's right here, and a 28, that'd be right here. 23 and 26, 23 is here, 26 is also there. 29 and 31, 29 would be in this interval, 31 would be here. 32 and 33, both of them are down here. Or 32 and 34 is what I meant to say. 30 and 30, 21 and 28, 21's here, but 28 would be here. Let's make 5. 22 and 25, 22 would be here, and 25 would be here. 24, 24 would both be there. Let's make 5. Now let's count to make sure I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 18 runners. So I got 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've accounted for all of them. This is my tally mark. These are my intervals, which is actually the times. And now I'm going to have my frequency, which is just these numbers. So this is 4, 6, 5, and 3. So 4 runners were in the 19 to 22 minute range. 6 runners were in the 23 to 26 minute range. 5 runners were in the 27 to 30 minute range. That's probably where I would be. And 3 runners were in the 31 to 34 range. And that's how we make a frequency table. We will be with you in the next video where we're going to make a histogram.